What type of data or tools are you using for your reinforcement learning? So is there an aspect of you using some research that is being done out of the continent within the Western world? I know there are a lot of, again, resources, especially open source resources that are available in that regard, but are they relevant for your type of work, or are you just really trying to make a localized solution?
I mean, so we try as much as possible to simplify things. The goal is always to focus on a particular scope of the project. So in the case of the classifiers and the detection models that we implemented, for instance, we basically just leveraged open source frameworks that are available out there. PyTorch and Keras frameworks that are available out there, for instance. I already made mention of the fact that the data set that we use, for instance, is something that was sourced from Kaggle. And this is important because a lot of people not appreciate the fact that if you look at the different phases, right, associated with AI-centric solutions or problems, if you will, the vast majority of time is typically spent during the data understanding and the data preparation phase, right? Less so when you're doing the modeling or evaluating or deploying, right? And so for us to be able to make progress, we just had to source the data from outside. So we actually make use of a number of already available frameworks out there for us to sort of like accelerate the whole process.